Driving Tuition. In this video, it's a short video. In this video, I'm going to explain you. I'm on a Wilbraham Road at the moment, which is Withington, and heading towards the Princess Road. As we're going to the test centre, this is what happened when you come on this road. Sometime you go back to the test centre. There's 2 lanes here. This road used to be 40 miles an hour and changed into 30 miles an hour now. So the new speed limit is on this road is 30 miles an hour. On this road, what we need to remember, that's what I wanted to show you today. 2 lanes here, the both lane going straight ahead, which is a Wally Range High School on the corner there. So if I started with the left lane, so if you can see on the right side, there's a car coming from the right. There's arrows on the road, merging arrow, asking me to give a signal before I turn. So this car behind me is slowing down and letting me in. So I look in the mirror, you have to give a signal here. So whenever you come onto this road, you got to be very careful. You're going over straight across the Princess Road. So when you're going straight across, you can see the school, which is the Wally Range High School on the left hand side here. The speed on this road is 30 miles an hour as well. So when you're going straight across, we normally drive in the golden rule, stay in the left side of the road. So we're driving starting from the left lane. So you make sure you end up on the left side of the road when you go straight across the Princess Parkway, the Princess Road there. So if you started with the left lane and somehow you ended up on the right lane, you already done the serious fault there. Examiner will keep an eye on the mirrors. They keep an eye on the cars behind because the 2 lanes were going straight ahead. So they keep an eye on the cars on the right hand side because the right car on the right hand side will have a priority over you because you will have a merging arrow. So arrows on the road asking you to merge into the right lane. So if you merge into the right lane without looking at the right mirror or without giving any signal, that would be a serious fault on the test. So Wilbraham Road, heading back to the test centre, Wally Range High School, stay on the left lane. Started with the left lane, so end up on the left side of the road. Look in the right mirror, give a signal if someone's behind you. At least look in the mirror if there's no one there, then you don't need to give a signal at all. Look in the mirror, if you see someone is there, give them a signal, ask their permission, is it okay for me to move over to the right lane? If it's okay, then move over to the right. If no, you might have to slow down and somehow have to stop there if they don't let you in.